Hello guys, welcome to this channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell to get updated from us. Today in this video, I'm going to teach you to add card in your Trello account. Firstly, make sure that you are connected to your Wi-Fi and you have already logged into your Trello account. Now let's get started. Open your Trello app. Your profile appears. Now at the bottom you can see different options as board, my card, search, notifications. Tap on boards. To add card you have to choose the board first. Here I will be choosing my untitled board. Here I go. Now you can see there add chart with that plus icon. Tap there to add card. Give a name to your card. Now tap on add. In this way, you can easily add card to your Trello account. I hope this video will help you. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.